Hello, students. In this video, we are going to explore the fascinating world of interrogative pronouns. Let's learn together. Interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions about people or things like who, whom, what, which, etc. For example, you might ask, "Who is your manager?" or "What is your favorite movie?" Now, let's look at how interrogative pronouns are used. Who is a subject pronoun. For example, who is coming to the party? Whom is an object pronoun. For example, to whom does this belong? What is used for a broad range of answers. For example, what is your favorite hobby? Which is for limited choices. For example, which team won last year? Let's learn about the compound interrogative pronouns. These are used to add emphasis like whoever, whomever, whatever, and whichever. For example, whoever painted this mural is incredibly talented. Now let's look into some rules for using interrogative pronouns. Who, whom, and whose are used for people. For example, who is your friend? What and which are used for things. For example, what are your weekend plans? Always follow the subject-verb agreement. For example, what is your house address? Let's consider the difference between interrogative pronouns and adjectives. Interrogative pronouns replace or identify the subject or object in a sentence. For example, who is that boy? Interrogative adjectives modify a noun and can't stand alone. For example, what material did you use? Now, let's look at some common mistakes students make with interrogative pronouns. Students get confused about who and whom. Students also use what for people instead of who. Now it's your turn to answer. Give an example of an interrogative pronoun. Share your answers in the comments. The complete curriculum for all the classes is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.